Halo guys, kembali lagi di channel Ichi Wolf dan kita kali ini akan melanjutkan gameplay dari Intruders Hide and Seek. Dan dimana episode sebelumnya kita sudah mendapatkan password untuk buka laptop, tapi sayangnya penyusupnya menghack laptop kita. Jadi kita nggak bisa kontak dengan dunia luar dan saatnya kita melakukan misi selanjutnya dimana kita masih mendapatkan obat untuk Irene. Kalau begitu, mari kita mulai episode gameplay selanjutnya ini. Oke, saatnya kita mulai. Waktu itu kita ketangkap di sini, guys. Oh, oke. Dia kesini dong. Nggak aman nih. Oke, cepat sebelum dia lihat. Untung saja. Gue agak takut guys sama yang itu, yang ada topengnya. Kayak galak banget. Mukanya galak. Belum kelihatan sih, cuman kayak serem aja gitu. Oke, dia ke bawah. Good. Ternyata dia nggak ke bawah. Oke, nggak bagus nih. Ini nggak bagus nih guys. Ternyata dia kesini. Dan kita terjebak. Kita ketahuan lagi.
You're mine. At last.
Ternyata kita ketangkap lagi. Jadi kayaknya kita mesti lewat bawah. Tadi kita lewat atas nggak bisa. Lewat bawah. Oke, kalau gitu kita coba lagi. Aduh, susah sekali ya. Tangkap lagi, ketangkap lagi. Baru aja dimulai guys gamenya.
I hear something nearby. I heard him again.
Jangan bilang di sini. Untung aja. Soalnya tadi gue lari guys.
Thought I heard something.
Ternyata sensitif banget ya. Kuping mereka tajam loh. Aduh. Sepertinya sudah aman. Tuh, kita masih ambil obatnya untuk Irene guys. Kasian ya. Dia kesakitan. Dan obatnya ada di ruangan dia. Oke, kalau gitu kita lihat sini. Di sini lebih aman. Kita bisa jalan, bisa jongkok, cuman kita nggak bisa lari guys. Oke, kalau begitu. Kita udah 2 kali ketangkap. Mana ya? Semoga nggak ada yang gede tadi ya. Adakah? Biasanya aman. Jangan bilang ada lagi. Sudah aman. Aduh, ada suara guys. Oh, di sana. Gak ada kan ya di sini ya? Kita lihat. Irene kamar di sana. Aman. Ada dong. Jangan bilang dia kesini. Dia kesini. Aduh, gimana nih? Dia bakal kesini gak ya? Sepertinya enggak sih. Lalu di mana? Jadi dia bakal ke sini guys. Kayak kita nggak bisa lewat situ deh. Oh bisa. Ya, kita bisa lewat sini. Kita lihat belakang aja guys. Kita lihat, amankah? Di mana ya obatnya?
Irene, I'm here in your room, but I can't find your pills anywhere.
Kita ngumpet dulu
They
guys.
have to be around there. I left them on. Oh no! Hide then! The monster's coming towards
Dia
you!
datang lagi. Mereka datang ke sini guys. Itu dia.
Gotcha!
Oh, kirain ketangkap guys. Ternyata dia bohong.
Well.
Itu obatnya Irene.
Is this what I'm looking for, Paul? So much pain for this?
Aduh. Sekarang obatnya diambil. Tadi
He's
handphone.
taking the pills with him.
I need my medicine. Can you
Oh,
take
kita mesti ngambil dari dia. Aduh,
I'll try.
Irene dia sakit banget guys. Kasian banget. Terus kita ke... Oke, kita mesti ikutin dia. Tadi dia ke sini. Oke, kita lihat. Dia jauh aja. Mau kemana dia? Enggak, dia nggak kemana-mana. Apa game ngebug ya? Oh, matanya masih lebih dekat lagi. Menegangkan.
You are not at all like I imagined you, Paul. Married and with children. You have a very happy family, don't you?
Keluarga bahagia. Oh, kita ikutin dia. Aduh, ini momen-momen yang menegangkan. Oh, dia ke sana. Di sini adakah? Masih tidak ada. Tadi kita lihat yang gede kan? Yang gedenya nggak ada. Jangan sampai kita ketangkap.
And I love what you've done to the house. You could put on a concert here. It's clear that you are at the top of your game.
Dia suka rumahnya guys. Dia bisa buat konser di sini. Oke. Untung sih dia pakai topeng ya. Kalau nggak pakai topeng ketahuan tuh.
The problem with being at the top is that the only way to go is down. And a long fall awaits you.
Oke, kita masih lebih dekat ya guys. Iya. Ternyata dia menunggu ke kita. Untung saja. Ternyata lantainya begitu.
I'll take everything that matters to you away. I'll do the same thing you did to me.
Oh, kayaknya
Irene, I haven't been able to get the pills.
I need them. You have to ask Dad if he has more pills. Go to the cellar and talk to him.
ya. Jadi kita mesti ke silat guys. Kayak orang buat tanah tadi. Untung aja. Dan dia ke atas. Aman. Satu sudah aman. Tinggal yang Ashley nih, yang ceweknya nih. Di mana ya? Semoga aman ya. Gue main gini sampai menghela nafas guys, karena nggak tahu, susah banget itunya buat ngendalinya. Kadang buka pintunya nggak, buka kabinetnya nggak bisa. Adakah di sini? Tidak ada kan ya? Oke, ya kita masih ke ruangan buatan lagi guys. Bunyi petirnya, astaga. Oke, untuk ruangan buatan gue udah hafal guys. Cuman yang lain nggak kita hafal nih. Masih dikunci, nggak bisa. Aman kah? Sepertinya aman. Jadi kita masih balik ke tempat mama papa kita guys. Oke. Susah banget kenalinya. Tuh. Kadang susah buat interact-nya. Jangan sampai ya dikagetin lagi ya sama tikus-tikus.
Ben, are you okay?
Apa itu?
Yeah,
Ternyata kita jatuh ke sini guys.
sweetie, you could have hurt yourself. Were you able to get help? I tried, but they blocked the computer somehow. I couldn't do anything. Dad.
Ya kan
you
diblok
need to take the
komputernya.
pills, but that man has them. Paul.
Terus
Ben, you need to get into my laboratory, just above my study. I'm sure there will be more pills in there for Irene.
Why do you keep the pills there?
Don't ask questions, Ben!
terus kita kemana?
Go up the stairs next to my office. The
Oh.
code for the door
4891.
4891.
Oke. 4891.
Take the pills and get out. Do not touch anything else.
Oke.
Understand?
Oke, kita nggak boleh pencet apapun. Jadi kita masih naik ke atas.
They're heading for the cellar.
Ya kesini dong. Kita bisa ngumpet guys.
I'm gonna take a look.
What now?
Apa yang kamu mau?
The time has come to explain what's going on here. The house is completely isolated. I've cut the landlines, there's no internet connection. We have your cell phones and laptop. Mr. Richter, you have no choice but to collaborate with us.
So when we realize what is
Jadi mereka memutuskan komunikasi.
You're taking a week off from your luxury vacation home. No one will be surprised if they don't hear from you during that time.
How do you know all this?
We also happen to know that there is a laboratory behind the door of the second floor. We have been hired to retrieve the formula that you've hidden inside there.
Dan mereka tahu juga guys ruangan rahasia papanya.
Are these the pills?
Yes, that's what you have been looking for. Take them and please leave us alone.
He's lying. If these were the cure, he would never admit it.
In any case, the pills wouldn't be of any use to us without the formula, not to mention the research data. Mr. Richter, you just need to give us the password to access the laboratory. We'll just take your research, and then we'll leave.
Oh, we don't have any choice. Give it to him.
They're lying, Jane. To use my research, it's not enough to make a copy. They have to be the only ones with the formula. And for that, they have to delete my files and then kill me.
That won't be necessary.
Of course it is. The formula's in my head. I created it. I have
jadi obat-obatan itu buatan papanya, dan sepertinya obat-obatan itu yang dibuat itu tuh hanya salah satunya, dan yang mau tahu itu hanya papanya doang. Makanya mereka butuh formula itu. Tapi kalau bisa dikasih formulanya, papanya dalam bahaya.
If you're not reasonable, I'll have to make my own music with them while you watch. Could you bear that? I'll leave you to think it over.
Please wait.
Ini lumayan kompleks guys. Loh, masih ada kah? Masih ada. Terus kita gimana ini? Lah. Gimana? Ini bakal ketahuan sih.
Hey, you don't you dare hide there. Don't move. You'll pay
Ketahuan
for
lagi
this.
guys. Ditendang depan mama papanya dia. Seperti aku salah guys. Kenapa masih sembunyi di sana ya? Ya gawat nih. Ini gimana dong? Tempatnya udah dijaga. Oh, mestinya sembunyi di sini. Tuh, kan? Oke. Kita masih sembunyi di sini, guys. Nah, kalau gini kan nggak ketahuan. Kayaknya nggak ketahuan deh, guys. Aman. Terus kita kemana? Oh, ke sini. Oh, oke. Jadi saatnya kita ke access poll using panel. Panelnya di mana ya, guys? Kayaknya kita masih, apakah di sini? Tidak bisa. Kita coba. Kalau begini ketahuan ya. Coba ya, sekali lagi ya, kita tungguin.
That's a hell of a storm out there.
Di mana nih? Dia nggak belok, guys. Bakal ketahuan nggak ya? Ya, kayak tadi momennya deh. Kita coba lagi. Apa kita coba lagi? Kita coba kesini lagi deh. Panelnya panel mana ya? Katanya bisa lewat panel. Apa di situ? Gak bisa, guys. Panel mana? Tidak ada panel di sini. Ya. Sini panel. Gak bisa. Tidak bisa. Tidak ada apa-apa.
I just don't know how the boss can trust these two.
Guys, udah, kalau gitu kita coba saja. Semoga nggak ketahuan ya, karena ya nggak bisa dibuka juga. Lihat mana panelnya? Oh, ada potongan puzzle. Coba ya sekali lagi ya. Masih sih bisa sih ya. Kita lihat. Kita lihat. Kalau pasti nggak dapat kesana, kita mulai. Ini lumayan panjang nih, kayak gini doang. Dia nggak belok mukanya. Oke. Mana nih? Wah. Kayaknya di sini, guys. Masih sih di sini ya, ruangan papanya. Atau bukan? Kita lihat. Aduh, kayaknya bukan deh, guys. Iya, ternyata bukan. Di atas kah? Di atas ada yang jagain. Wah, ini seru banget sih gamenya. Itu dia. Mestinya ruangan papanya di sini. Oh. Oke. Satu di bawah dong. Gimana nih? Kita lihat polanya. Hati. Di sini aman. Loh. Jangan bilang dia kesini. Enggak dong. Kita masih ke satunya lagi, guys. Kemana ya dia ya? Kok penjahatnya menghilang? Aduh, satu di sini lagi. Aduh, dia ngadepnya ke sini. Satu lagi ke sini ngadepnya. Wah. Gimana nih, guys? Untung aja. Oke, kayaknya kita bisa lewat sini gak ya?
Everything is so tidy. It seems natural.
Oke, kita coba. Kita lewat sini. Masih ada pola ya, guys. Yap. Dia ke sana dan kita ke sini. Wah, kita main kucing-kucingan nih. Oke. Ini aman. Cuma tetap, guys, kita nggak bisa lari di sini. Kita bisa jalan dan jongkok. Nanti ketahuan lagi. Yang gedenya di sana. Masih nggak ngeliat. Untung saja. Sampai telan. Dia kesini. Duh, dia kesini lagi. Kalau gua jalan, nanti juga kesini ngadepnya. Oh, oke. Good. Oke, good. Oke. Sebenarnya tuh sih gampang guys. Tadi gue kayak salah deh. Jadi muter kan. Tadi apa ya tadi passwordnya? 4891. Bisa. Iya.
Irene? Irene?
Yes.
Dad sent me to his laboratory to get your pills. He gave me the code to get in, but the door just won't open.
Aduh, nggak bisa.
To remove the lockdown thingy, but I
Oh,
just
ini ada
can't.
key.
I think we need a key.
Kunci di mana?
Isn't there any other way to get in?
There's a window.
Nggak bisa dipencet guys. Aduh, airnya kasian banget batuknya.
Irene?
Aduh.
Irene? Irene?
Aduh.
You can't get in that way. You'd have to go out onto the ledge. It's very dangerous, Ben. If you fall, you'll die.
And if I
Aduh.
don't go, you'll get worse. I know. Tell me where I have to go.
Kasih tau kemana kau masih pergi.
Terrace in Mom and Dad's room.
Oke, ruang mama papa di atas. Oke. Kita masih ke teras mama papanya. Dan ini kerjaan lagi guys. Ini ruangan apa ya? Oh, ini kamar mandi. Oke. Wah, ini ruangannya gede banget nih. Pengen deh punya kamar kayak gini. Mereka di atas. Mereka nggak ada di bawah kan? Ada satu di sini. Di atas ada kah? Nggak ada. Masih aman ya? Ya masih aman guys. Oke, aman. Good. Kita masih pelan-pelan jalannya. Dan jongkok. Terus kita gimana ke sananya? Gua lupa guys, ada yang gede. Gawat dong. Yang gedenya ke sini. Kita ikutin patternnya. Enggak guys, nggak bisa. Nggak boleh ketangkap lagi.
Where could this kid be?
Nggak boleh ketangkap. Kita nggak boleh ketangkap lagi guys. Sudah panjang perjalanan kita. Deg-degan. Ya, ternyata nggak bisa guys. Tutup jalannya. Kita cuma bisa kesini. Apa gue salah jalan lagi? Oke. Kayak kalau gue pelan-pelan bisa deh guys, ikutin dia. Pelan-pelan, karena dia akan belok nanti. Belok? Oh, dia nggak belok. Oh, dia random banget guys. Oke. Kita ada berhasil di sini. Oh, gila, deg-degan banget. Ke sini dong. Oke, kita udah sampai ke sini. Kita lihat. Kita masih putar panjang, guys. Di mana ya? Kita lihat ada apa sesuatu. Nggak ada kan ya? Masih aman. Di mana ya kalau mama papa kita ya? Apakah di sini? Kita malah ngejauh, guys. Loh. Wah, ini sih bingung sih. Kenapa kita malah ngejauh ya? Gue bingung, guys, sama konsep rumahnya. Ini terlalu gede banget buat gue. Tuh kan. Oke. Kita harus cepat aja ke sini. Ini kan ruangannya Irene. Kita nggak bisa ya ke sini langsung ya. Tuh. Mana ya? Oh, dia di sana. Akankah dia masuk? Iya, ini ruangan mama-papanya kan? Bukan deh. Ternyata di sana. Bahkan dia belok. Dia belok ke sini. Oke. Nyaman, guys. Ketahuan.
It's over, kid. Don't resist.
Diinjak lagi. Susah banget. Gue bingung, guys. Tempat gede banget. Aduh. Terus ruangan mama papanya di mana ya? Berarti sebelahnya. Tadi kita naik ke sebelahnya. Berarti itu ruangannya. Ternyata gue masih muter, guys, tadi, guys. Ini kemana? Ngulang lagi dari sini. Oke, kalau gitu mestinya ini kan ruangannya. Ruangan mama papanya gampang nih mestinya. Di atas sini, udah nyampe. Ya. Di atas sini. Kita lihat ya. Nggak bisa, guys. Dia ke sini. Ternyata main sembunyi-sembunyi gini nggak gampang ya. Dia ke sini dong. Kita lihat. Kankah dia ke sini? Oke, aman. Dia nggak akan lihat. Iya, ini mestinya mama papanya. Oke. Dan gue lupa guys, gue gak ngecek peta. Ini ternyata gue kira di sana.
I'm sick of this.
Penjahatnya galak-galak banget ya sama anak kecil. Padahal kita anak kecil loh. Enggak, mestinya kita diperlakukan seperti ini. Oke, kita tunggu. Kalau buka takutnya ini. Oke, aman. Gua ngeliat guys.
I've had it with you. Now you'll get it.
Gua nggak melihat dia ada di situ. Tadi kan dia di bawah ya. Dia ngecekin iPad-nya. Terus di bawah ada mama papa kita. Kenapa dia ada di sana? Kita ada banyak banget nih ngulangnya. 5 kali. Dan kita ngulang lagi di sini. Coba guys, kita main cepat. Tapi kita udah tahu tempatnya di situ. Oke, kita pasti cepat. Untung saja. Dia ngadepnya ke sini mulu. Yap, baiklah. Oh, bagus, nice. Oke, 1 sudah selesai. Dan kita habis itu langsung sembunyi guys. Ada 1. Tadi gue nggak expect guys, ada 1 cewek di sana. Masih itu nggak ada. Oke. Kita main kucing-kucingan. Terus kita gimana ya? Loh, dia kemana? Oh. Bawah. Oke, mantap. Terus kita ke...
I thought I heard something. Probably nothing.
Gue masih hafalin nih pattern dia. Tuh kan. Dia ke sini. Kalau gue jalan, akankah dia ngeliat? Oke. Oke. Akhirnya guys. Terus kita?
Down.
Oh,
Don't
ya
look
tadi aku
down.
kasih tahu kalau kita jatuh bahaya dan kita bisa tiada. Oke.
Strange. There's electricity in this room.
Aneh, ada listrik di sini.
I'm in the lab, but there are no pills here.
Keep looking, Ben. They have to be.
Oke,
There's
somewhere.
Looks like another password. Is it
Apa
for this
ini?
computer?
Tapi sebelum itu kita masih cari tempat ngumpet dulu guys. Jaga-jaga. Ini bisa ngumpet gak ya? Nggak bisa. Gimana dong? Ya udah lah ya, kalau ketangkap ya ketangkap lah ya.
It's locked. I need some kind of card.
This would be my last entry in this video diary. 7 years have passed since Irene was
Ada apa guys
diagnosed
sebelah
with
sini?
localized encephalic leukodystrophy, the same disease that killed my father. I thought it was asthma. They said she wouldn't live more than 10 years. We didn't say anything to her. Her
Jadi ada penyakit
or
yang
anyone
langka,
else.
disangkanya itu
I
asma, ternyata
prepared the
bukan.
medication myself and would tell her I was going to the pharmacy to get it, so she didn't suspect anything. With the help of Chrysalis, I did some research and was able to discover a cure. When they saw how much it would cost, they turned me down. My daughter's life just couldn't turn a profit. I didn't give up.
Oke.
I bought this house and then built a laboratory as well as a special room for the...
Menolak guys
the
untuk harganya
tests.
mungkin kemahalan kali ya.
I've done things that were terrible, but necessary. Jane doesn't know what I've had to do, and it's better that way. I've just got the results of the latest tests.
Oke.
The cure works. I'm going home. In a few hours, the construction work begins. I'll come back with my family on the weekend. Jane will take both the kids on a trip, while I come to collect the last remnants of my experiments. Until then, everything here will stay hidden and safe. Soon, I'll have left all this behind.
Iya, jadi ada sesuatu guys. Oh, pintu rahasianya. Oke. Aku lihat di sini. Ada yang terbuka. Oh, jadi itu dia penyakit langka dan dia bisa menemukan
This must
obat
be the
ini.
card to open the locker.
Paul Richter. Oke. Makanya ini banyak yang mau obat-obatnya dia dan DNA segala macam, misal data-datanya. Oke.
What is all this?
Ada boneka kan?
Irene? I found a secret elevator. I think Dad keeps the medicine in the basement.
An elevator? Why does Dad want a secret
Ada
basement?
lift, ada ruang bawah tanah. Ini nggak saya tutup ya? Kalau dia masuk gimana guys? Kan menegangkan. Itu boneka menyeramkan sekali ya. Nggak ada yang bisa di-interact.
Hello? Anybody there?
Ada orang di sini? Apa ini? Ada tikus kelinci lagi. Salah ngomong gue. Ada.
Damn it, Dad.
Aduh,
What have you done?
papanya ngelakuin sesuatu guys. Bunyi apa tuh? Oh my god. Papanya ngelakuin sesuatu guys. Mana nih? Oh sini. Jangan bilang ini kan cabut gak sih? Ada badan guys. Nggak bisa. Dia nggak ikan hidup lagi kan ya? Kalau hidup lagi gawat nih. Aduh, nggak bisa lari guys, cuma bisa jalan. Oke. Cepat. Jadi kayaknya ada sesuatu nih guys. Oke, papanya melakukan eksperimen. Ada eksperimen di sana dan ada badan-badan. Terus kita masih kemana? Find the pills. Di mana? Pillsnya di mana? Aku tak tahu pillsnya di mana. Di mana pillsnya? ada. Apa ini? Apa ya? Nggak bisa dibuka. Kayaknya ini ya. Oh, pattern. Oke. Wah, ini butuh password nih guys. Coba kita pencet, bisa nggak ya? Ada data bliss. Wah, ini game ya. Gue udah lupa. Apa itu? Grafik. Dan ini ada poll.
Localized encephalic leukodystrophy is a disease that damages myelin, the layer that protects the axons of neurons, and causes severe problems with the nervous system. Right now, I'm experimenting with a range of compounds that could increase the body's production of myelin. The problem is that excess myelin is harmful for the body as well.
Oh, oke. Jadi kalau kelebihan juga, myelinnya juga berbahaya untuk badan, untuk tubuh.
Dennis, my first test subject, is experiencing severe side effects.
Oh, jadi Dennis itu uji coba pertama dia orangnya
Intensely painful muscle spasms,
cemas,
as
insomnia,
well as hypersensitivity.
emosi, dan
These
kejang otot.
symptoms are making it very difficult for me to conduct my experiments on him. He's already tried to escape several times.
Dan dia mencoba untuk kabur
But
beberapa kali.
unfortunately, the harm he suffered will eventually make him useless to me as a test subject.
Oh, jadi si Dennis itu udah berkali-kali dan nggak ada guna lagi.
Get rid of him as humanely as possible.
Oh, jadi itu tes subjeknya. Inbox. John Gilman. Hi Paul, I can't seem to reach you by phone. I was calling to see if everything was okay and nothing. Oke, jadi mencoba temannya si John ini coba dari teman kantornya coba telepon tapi nggak ada yang angkat, semoga nggak ada yang kenapa gitu. Terus kita masih ke mana? Apakah kita balik ke sini lagi? Tidak bisa.
I can't leave here until I find Irene's medicine.
Di mana medicine-nya? Nggak nemu loh guys. Masa ke bawah lagi? Iya nih ke bawah. Oke, kita coba ya guys. Ke bawah lagi. Aduh, punya lagunya kayak enak lagi. Di mana obat-obatannya? Gak ada yang bisa di-interact guys. Di mana ya? Gak bisa. Aduh, ada badan lagi. Gak bisa guys. Ini gak bisa. Ini gak bisa. Gak ada yang bisa di-interact lagi. Please, wise man. Oh, ini korbannya guys. Kasian. Oh, oke. Gua nggak kesini guys.
Liz Wiseman. It seems like she was sick too.
Oh, oke. Oke, kita dapat.
There they are. I have to get out of here. Can you hear me? There's no signal here. I'll try outside the lab.
Oke. Ternyata papa kita jahat guys. Dia mengundangkan orang-orang untuk bantu uji coba. Kok bunyinya gak enak ya? Iblisnya dia nggak hidup lagi kan ya? Oke. Aduh, ini boneka ganggu pemandangannya.
Irene? Irene! Why isn't she answering?
She
What
had
if
an
she had
attack.
an attack? I have to right
dia
now.
diserang ya. Kebuka guys. Jadi kita ke, oh kita masih ke bawah, ke panic room. Oke.
The door closed on its own. I really hope I don't have to go back there.
Oke. Kita lihat. Kita lihat apa yang terjadi. Tangkap dong.
Don't scream, kid.
Oh,
Listen carefully. Everything will be okay. I can help you. I'm not here
dia
to
ternyata
stop
baik guys. Dia nggak mau nyuri apapun. Sebenarnya, oh, jangan bilang tadi
She disappeared
anaknya.
3 weeks ago. She was seen
Jadi
getting into a
menghilang
car
3
with
minggu
her
yang
father.
lalu.
I just want to know what's happened to her, kid. Tell
Dan
me
dia
the
ngeliat
truth,
dia
and I'll help
duduk
you.
di mobil
Do you know anything?
papanya. Sepertinya kita bisa ngambil fotonya. Oh, ini anaknya. Iya, sesuai.
No,
I'm sorry.
no, no.
Anaknya sudah almarhum
Mike.
guys.
What's going on there?
Sorry.
Kita ditangkep. Ternyata dia bohong. Oh, itu papanya Bliss. Ternyata papa kita jahat banget.
Your father worked secretly to save your sister. Very emotional. But Dad hasn't told us how he found the cure.
Dia papanya melakukan kerjaan yang sangat rahasia
He
dan nggak
knew how to
bilang
find the cure, but
nemuin
his
obatnya
company
gimana.
didn't want to help him. So, Dad kidnapped people with the same disease as Irene and experimented on them. He did terrible
Jadi
things to
papanya
them.
menculik
And when
orang-orang
they
yang
were
sama
so distraught that they were of no use to him anymore,
gejala-gejala yang
he
sama kayak
killed
si Irene
them
gitu
and got rid
penyakitnya.
of their bodies. Do you know what playing an instrument and killing have in common? Doing it well takes a lot of practice.
Oh. Is
Apa itu
it
betul?
true?
Honey, you didn't know, but you suspected it. All those days Paul came here after work, all those nights you spent alone with the children, you couldn't help thinking about it, could you? Like a song that gets stuck in your head.
Iya, tiap kali mamanya
You
cuma
can't
sama
get rid of it.
anak-anaknya, papanya
You chose to ignore it.
pergi ke lab mulu.
Wake up, honey. Wake up.
Aduh,
Poor thing. You fell asleep during the movie. But turns out the remote for opening the panic room was hidden in the car keys. And there we were
oh
looking
kalau begini
everywhere for it.
suaranya tinggi ya. Oke.
Dennis. Dennis Francis Burton. It took me a few days to remember my name in the hospital.
Oh jadi ini korban pertamanya papanya si Dennis.
The things you did to me.
Tadi udah dibilang.
Do you remember the night I almost escaped? I lost so much weight, I slipped out of my shackles.
Ya ampun. Sepertinya Dennis ini pengen obatin dan balas dendam.
With what little strength I had, I ran to the elevator and took it up. That drained all my energy.
Dan mau menghabiskan banyak energi.
Where am I? I need to get to the elevator before he comes back. The elevator has to be around here.
Oh jangan-jangan. Oke. Kayaknya kita pakai si Dennis ya guys kali ini. Kan suaranya tuh bukan suara si Ben lagi. Iya. Tadi ada boneka di sini kan nggak ada. Duh, silo banget.
I wasn't able to make it to the front door of the house. I was so drugged up I couldn't find my bearings.
Kita bisa sembunyi gak ya? Aduh, silo banget. Oh, dia kasihan guys, selalu dikasih obat kayaknya untuk uji coba. Dan kemana nih? Coba ya. Wah, silo banget.
Dennis, where are you?
No. If I try to get away, he'll catch me. I have to hide.
Di mana? Sembunyi di mana? Sembunyi di mana? Kita masih sembunyi di mana, guys? Loh. Ini nggak bisa sembunyi. Wah, silo banget. Iya, nggak bisa, guys. Apa di bawah ya? Sepertinya di bawah. Wah, ini sih silo banget sih. Ini nggak bisa sembunyi di sini. Ini nggak bisa. Dikunci. Sepertinya. Oh, di sini. Kita kunci dulu gak sih? Tutup dulu gak sih pintunya? Kita ngumpet, guys.
I hid in a closet. All I could see through the door was that skull, watching me from the top of the wall. I was
Tengkorak
convinced
katanya
it was death, staring me in the face. It said to me,
seperti dunia
and
kematian
in
katanya.
the end.
Dan oh iya, ini awal-awal yang awal-awal itu makanya sangkanya si Ben yang mimpi buruk kan, ternyata sangkanya Ben di sini, ternyata Dennis. Ya, ketahuan. Dia minta ditiadakan, guys.
What music we made, you and I, Paul. You played me. And I
Kau mainin aku, and I scream dalam kesakitan.
dumped me in the river. But the poison wasn't enough.
Dan racunnya nggak cukup kuat.
I just wanted to die.
Aku hancur dan aku maunya tiada.
Dennis, remember we need the cure?
The boss is the cure. It was
Bos nih, butuh obatnya.
But first, I need the
Dia
password.
butuh password untuk laboratorinya.
You mean well. But you're a savage with no self-restraint. If you went too far, we'd end up with no source of information. I've got a much better idea. He needs his family, but we don't. No, please.
Dia gituin.
We're not playing games, sweetie. I'd say the most is an
Bayangin kalau
prize to pay for your life.
kasihan amat anak-anaknya masih melihat kayak gini gitu.
I know it.
Are you sure? You're not trying to trick
Ben
me, right?
bilang dia tahu
The password is 4
4891 passwordnya.
9 1.
Lucu banget.
Kid loves mom.
Anak ini mencintai mamanya, tapi
Stay here
papanya
and
enggak.
watch them. I'll see if what they say about the lab is true. Prepare the program. Come on, little girl. You're coming with me.
You all make me sick.
Ashley, come here.
It was supposed to be an easy job. The sooner we finish, the better.
Masih ini kerjanya mudah, nyata enggak. Kasihan guys, anak-anaknya masih melihat seperti ini, masih mengalami kayak gini. Aduh, papanya kenapa ya seperti itu?
Seems that that isn't for every man, boy. Mike, listen to this. Subject number 35, last name Wise, name Bliss.
Hari ke-8.
This tissue, so we'll know if the process of remyelination is stable. The subject hasn't slept in 5 days because of the pain.
Oh, jadi si iblis itu nggak bisa tidur selama 5 hari guys karena kesakitan.
Nervous. Just
Artikel
showing
13.
medicine works. Unfortunately,
Obatnya bekerja,
the subject has
tapi sayangnya orang percobaan itu tiada guys. Kasian banget anaknya. Aduh,
Monster.
while celebrating the results of the tests, she suffered a cardiac arrest. I decided not to revive her. It was the best for her. I will hide her body.
dia akan sembunyiin tubuh-tubuhnya seperti yang lain.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My daughter was dying. I had no choice.
Anakku menderita,
You are a bear.
aku gak punya pilihan.
You have to understand. Monster.
Kamu itu kamu akan tahu juga, kamu mesti ngerti. Kita bisa lihat guys.
Music is over.
Ternyata aduh, kita mesti ngapain? Gak bisa bangun guys.
Grab the car keys and go through the garage door. It's
Okay.
the only way to escape. Take the tablet. That data is your sister's salvation.
Oke.
This is all the data from Dad's research. I can't let them take it.
Oke, ini nggak boleh. Kita mesti ambil ini.
I have to hurry and get out of here.
Oke. Oke. Oke, ini gimana?
Taking the tablet.
Ini gimana? Nggak bisa nyalain.
Where do you think you're going?
Nggak bisa guys.
Open
Nggak
the
bisa.
fucking door.
Jangan.
Open the door. Help me. Run, Irene.
Jadi kita mesti kemana?
I'll be back to get you.
Wah, terus kita kemana guys? Oke. Dan Ashley tiada penjahatnya.
Irene.
Jadi bisa dibilang sama-sama jahat ya. Tapi ada ya sisi baiknya untuk nyembuhin, cuman melakukan eksperimen kepada orang-orang yang nggak bersalah gitu. Untuk uji coba obat-obatannya. Kita masih kesini. Sepertinya ikutin jalan aja. Tadi gue ngebug guys, abis
Woods.
ambil
Where'd that damn girl go?
boneka ini dia ngebug.
Oh God. I hope Irene is okay.
Ngebug lagi gak ya?
There you are, you little bunny.
Oke. Penjahatnya dapetin si air ini guys. Kita masih selamatkan dia. Di mana ya? Ada rusa. Rusanya gede banget. Terus rusanya nggak takut lagi. Takutnya sama kita? Kayaknya nggak takut. Mana ya?
Irene, sweetheart, come out. It's Mom.
Di mana? Di sini kah? Kayaknya di sini guys. Iya. Oh, ini si Dennis. Di mana? Masih jauh.
I wonder which of the two siblings will scream louder when they're doing.
Di mana kita guys? Wah, ini bahaya banget di tebing-tebing. Bahaya. Ya, dia dapetin si Irene. Ayo Ben. Come on Ben.
Leave my sister alone. She hasn't done anything to you.
Dia nggak bersalah. Dia nggak ngelakuin apapun ke yang jahat pada dia.
I thought you were a coward, like your father.
You're better than him.
Gue kira lu ngecut seperti papa kamu.
Not. Leave the tablet right now and come closer.
Taruh tablet di sana. Oke.
Please, let her go.
What are you doing here?
It's over, Dennis. This has gotten out of hand. We can't go around killing kids.
Their father killed your daughter.
Kita nggak boleh
This is our revenge.
menyakiti anak kecil.
I won't turn
Membuat
into
mereka
someone worse
tiada.
than him. We have to turn ourselves in. There's no other way out.
Kalau bisa melakukan yang sangat buruk, kita mesti menyerahkan diri kita. Ya, teman kita, temannya guys. Wah, kita selamatin Irene guys. Oh, wah, slow motion. Jadi sebenarnya yang penjahat yang badan besar itu tuh baik juga. Dia cuma sedih kehilangan anaknya. Dan sebenarnya dia nggak melakukan kerjaan kayak gini. Oke. Dan Irene selamat dan semua penjahatnya tiada guys. Begitu juga dengan papa kita. Papanya Ben. Nah, dan polisi datang ke sini. Wah, ini sih bakal kasih trauma yang besar banget ya bagi Ben dan Irene ya. Karena mereka masih kecil gitu. Dan mereka seharusnya nggak mendapatkan pengalaman seperti ini. Tapi mereka harus melihat seperti itu.
I don't know if you can hear me or not.
Oh,
You never really believed in these things, and I stopped believing gradually as I grew up.
nanti
I wish I
mempercaya
had the faith
tahap demi tahap.
I used to have. I need to believe that someone can be cleansed of the sins they committed in life. Paul, what we did was wrong.
Ya,
You wanted to save Irene.
apa yang
She
kamu
was
kita lakukan itu
always your
salah.
favorite. Everyone knew it. So much so that in saving her, you lost your ethics, your civility, your soul. You kidnapped and murdered innocent people, Paul. But I can't blame you because you did it to save her. It was my fault. You couldn't accept the prospect of Irene's death, but I could. When you told me Chrysalis wasn't going to finance your research, I saw her dead in a white hospital stretcher, so young. And it hurt me, Paul. More than you can imagine. Then you told me you had a plan, but couldn't tell me what it was. You offered me peace of mind in exchange for not getting involved. I shouldn't have accepted. I should have let her die, rather than see you turn into a murderer. Now it's too late. You're not with me anymore. Your daughter will grow up hating the father who saved her, and your son? I don't know which of them we hurt more.
Iya.
If only you'd at least regretted it, Paul.
Jadi ibunya tuh menyesal banget gitu. Kenapa jadi seperti ini gitu, kayak suaminya, papanya Ben, Irene itu jadi menculik dan itu tindakan yang salah. Oke, guys, tadi kita lihat ada dua versi. Tadi kita selamatin Irene kan, dan coba bagaimana kalau kita selamatkan yang penjahat yang gedenya. Kita lihat, itu nggak tahu ya, mungkin kita menyelamatkan atau kita mendorong penjahatnya. Kita lihat, kita cari tahu untuk di episode yang ini.
Leave my sister alone!
Kita akan melihat bagaimana kalau kita pilih yang penjahat yang gedenya.
I thought you were a coward, like your father. I'm glad to see you're better than him. I'm afraid that I'm not. Leave the tablet right now and come closer.
All right, please. Let her go.
What are you doing here?
It's over, Dennis. This has gotten out of hand. We can't go around killing kids.
Their father killed your daughter. This is our revenge.
Hanya mereka membuat
I
anak
won't turn
kamu
into someone worse than him.
tiada.
We have to turn ourselves in. There's no other way out.
bisa dibilang orang yang gede ini berjiwa besar juga ya, walaupun anaknya digituin tetap memaafkan. Coba kita pilih. Oh, jangan ini dorong ya. Oh. Oh. Ternyata kita dorong, guys. Bukan nyelamatin yang gedenya. Dan ternyata ketika yang ending yang kedua ini, Ben juga jatuh.
Hi, Ben. Many years have passed. I was scared I wouldn't be able to do this.
Jadi ini suaranya
My
Irene.
therapist told me to take it slowly.
Udah bertahun-tahun ini.
I miss you. More than I miss Mom and Dad.
Dia
I still
kangen
love
banget sama
them
Ben.
despite everything. When I
Walaupun
understood what Dad had
mama
done,
kayak gitu, dia tetap
I was
tetap
too young to
merindukan, cuman dia
understand everything
lebih
that had
merindukan
happened.
Ben.
I've been afraid of other people and afraid of myself.
Takut sama orang lain,
Our
takut sama
father was
dirinya.
capable of doing something like that. I was terrified of being like him.
Iya, dia mendapatkan pengalaman yang sangat jelek banget, guys.
I understood that if you
Lihat
were
papanya
so
kayak
good
gitu.
to me, I could learn from you. It's thanks to Dad that I'm still alive, but thanks to you that I can live. In a way,
Ya,
it's
satu
as if
sisi,
you've been my father.
jika kamu adalah
After
papa,
all this time, you're still saving my life.
ya,
I love you,
menyelamatkan.
Ben.
Jadi setelah sekian lama, walaupun itu menyelamatkan si Irene, tapi di sini ceritanya lebih sedih lagi, guys. Ternyata Ben mengorbankan dirinya untuk menyelamatkan Irene. Oke, guys, jadi sampai di situ dulu untuk gameplay Intruders Hide and Seek, dan kita sudah melihat dua ending, dimana ending pertama kita memilih Irene dan dimana Ben dan Irene selamat, dan ketika di ending kedua ketika kita memilih mendorong yang badan gede, ternyata Ben terjatuh dengan dua penjahatnya sehingga hanya Irene aja yang selamat. Dan di sini Irene sangat sedih banget, sudah kehilangan papanya, kehilangan Ben, dan dimana dia anggap Ben tuh betul-betul seorang yang panutan. Sangat menyedihkan. Tapi ini gamenya bagus banget. Thank you developernya. Wah, ini gamenya the best. Oke, sampai sini dulu untuk gameplaynya. Dan jangan lupa subscribe, comment, and like, and share pada teman-teman kalian. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.